Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you new Viola. We are unboxing and also we are renting this new Viola. The old one we are giving and the new one we are taking. The older one was the zipper one.
Okay, I will switch you. It comes with a new ball and some rosin as well.
The newer one is the clipper one, so it's just you can lock and open easily, faster. So this is how it is looking. So this is the new one Livio is unboxing now. Hope you like this video.
Can you check your bow? Very careful.
Oh, is there something wrong with it? Oh.
Good. This has good grip on the bow. Yep.
In this week we have big concert, so Livio is preparing everything.
There's only metal. One.
If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe button.
Hold the phone. Take the picture.
That's okay, Lee. That's okay. It happens over the usage. What are you trying to play? A B C D F G? Leave it. Rosin not needed now. Oh, rosin is here. Okay, leave it. Put it there. You wanna try? Try once. Let's just 2 stones. Oh, it could fit 2 bowls.
I just have a question. Doesn't it come with a sponge?
Is there one in here?
Yeah, there's one.
Viola hardwood, probably that may be okay, but if you put it on the things, there's a greater probability that will break, right?
Then you'll turn right to
Yeah, so it could like rest comfortably on my shoulder. But at least it's faster than zipping.